Hi Brownies, Guider Courtney here again with Teagan. We're gonna do one final experiment before the end of our science week, so to speak. And that's just a classic baking soda and vinegar experiment. Baking soda and vinegar is lots of fun. The reason why baking soda and vinegar works the way it does is because baking soda, which you can see here, whoop, is a base, and vinegar,
it's heavy.
is an acid. And when you mix those two together, they create a chemical reaction. That chemical reaction, in this case, is the production of a new substance. And that substance is carbon dioxide. You make carbon dioxide all the time without using baking soda or vinegar because it's what you breathe out. Very good. But when we want to make baking soda, or when we mix together baking soda and vinegar, we create that gas in a different way. So we're just going to do like a little classic volcano. I'm going to let Teagan kind of do her thing, and I encourage you to do the same thing. My big tip is to get yourself a nice tray of some kind. This was just from the dollar store. So that you can catch some of the stuff, because baking soda and vinegar can be very unpredictable.
Or hard to clean up.
Or hard to clean up. And guess who usually has to clean up in this house?
Me.
You're going to today because Brownies.
Help.
Lend
Lend a hand.
a hand! All right, good luck, Brownies.
Hi, it's Teagan here. So we're going to do our baking soda and vinegar. So I'm pretty sure this is how you do it. Wait, what?
You can do it however you want.
Okay.
You can add the baking soda first or the vinegar first.
I don't know how much to use. So
Maybe not all of it.
like that's
Sure.
good, maybe. Then I want to.
Do you want to add the food coloring?
I'm going to add 2 food colorings because I want to go wild today. It's not opening right. These things are hard to open.
You just have to pop the cap.
Oh.
It's not a twist. There you go.
I almost got some on me. I don't know how much to use. Okay. Then I want to see what happens if I do this. It's starting to give it a reaction.
So all those little bubbles that you see is that gas, carbon dioxide. When you add a little bit, it creates a small reaction.
Isn't that pretty? Whoa!
What if you add more?
Okay. More what?
Baking soda? I don't know. All right, so once you have added your baking soda and vinegar together, and you can still hear it fizzing, you're gonna be left over with a substance here that is what we call neutral. So it's not an acid like vinegar, and it's not a base like baking soda anymore. So you really can't do anything else with this liquid.
Oh, it's cold.
You just have to throw it in the garbage or dump it down the sink, rinse it out, and then you can start over again. And if you just keep adding baking soda and vinegar to it, you're not gonna get the same volume of reactions that you might with other things. Another cool thing that you can do, and we don't have any Play-Doh in our house right now, but if you have Play-Doh in your house, you can, and you're okay to use it and you don't want to reuse it again, you can create a little volcano and then make a well in the volcano in the little hill and stuff some baking soda in there and add drops of vinegar, and then you'll be able to see a true volcano. So maybe we'll have to do that to you next week or something. We can make some Play-Doh in our house. But that's just one of the neat ways that you can work with it. But you can see it's not really fizzing anymore because it's done. You can also trap this gas if you use a smaller jar. You could trap it in a balloon, for example. But there's lots of cool things that you can do with baking soda and vinegar. So I wish you the best of luck, Brownies, and happy badge getting.